Hey guys, so in Roblox Studio, if you let's say accidentally click off the widget Explorer, and you also say click off property, and how you get it back. So one way is that you could select view, and this icon here, click on this icon explore, so that bring back the widget here. And then the other icon here called property, and there you go. So when you click on like this, it bring down below here the property of this server script service. Now let's say I decide to dedock some of this widget here. Let's say explore, for example. I just drag it over here. Okay, just gonna leave it outside for the moment. Also property, I'm just gonna leave it here. And then I got also toolbox, which I can just leave it here, and terrain editor, and just leave it here. So how do I dock them back? So one way you can do that is, let's say I want to take explore, and I want to place it over here. So if you move my explore here to the left, you see, if I move to the left, it will slide in the space here. So I'll let it go, and it brings me to the left side. And let's say property, I want to put it below the explorer. So if I look at this, it brings fine. But when I want to explore, I just go below the explorer and bring it down like this. See, there's a space right now, and then let it go, and yeah, I dock the explorer property on the left side. So let's say I want to dock the toolbox on the right side, same concept. So I move to the right, and there's a space there, so let it go. And I want to put a terrain editor on the bottom of toolbox, so I just drag it down. There's a space there, let it go, and voila. So now I'm able to dock on my widget here, or I could move the toolbox to the left and explore to the right, and the same concept. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and if you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.